Hi, today we will make a cute composition for lovers. We'll need an 18-inch bobo balloon, and I will show you one more way how to inflate this balloon beautifully. I use the most common 1000-watt travel hair dryer. I put it in maximum power mode and warm up the seam of the balloon. The seam becomes very soft. I stretch it well. If necessary, this process can be repeated. Pay attention to the seam. Inflate the balloon. You can see that the bobo balloon has swelled up beautiful and symmetrical. Now I will show you one of the ways to fill a bobo balloon with foam balls, only partially. Cut off a little more than half of the tail of Bobo's balloon and stretch it a little, just a little. Inflate the balloon a little and add an insulator. I use it in the video high float, but you can use any other one about the volume of 5 Ps. You should add an insulator only to the top of the balloon. Distribute the insulator over the top of the balloon. Inflate the balloon a little and see if the insulator is evenly distributed. If there are any errors, correct them. Now inflate the balloon. Stretch the tail and fix it with a clamp. The clamp I make from modeling ball size to 160, I make 3 tight pinch twists. It turns out a wonderful clamp. Now the most interesting thing, I take a half-liter bottle. I dried the bottle beforehand. I pour styrofoam balls into the bottle. up to this level. Remove the clamp, twist the balloon so that no air escapes from it. Put the tail of the balloon on the neck of the bottle. It's very easy to do. Turn the bottle over, spin the balloon, and the foam balls will begin to fall to the bottom of the balloon. Pour some of the foam balls and twist the balloon so that the balls stop falling. Distribute the balls evenly. The balls are perfectly glued to the insulator at the bottom of the bobo balloon. In the same way, continue to fill the bobo balloon with foam balls. Twist Bob's balloon if necessary and distribute the foam balls inside. This is a very convenient and easy way. A very important point: to inflate the bobo balloon with air, if necessary, you can only use a hand pump. Do it very slowly. Stretch the tail of Bob's balloon and make a knot. Now tie the knot with a modeling balloon and make a loop. Making a stand for the composition, inflate 5 white balloons measuring 10 inches and 5 red balloons measuring 5 inches. Calibrate the white ones by 10 and the red ones by 5 inches, respectively. Connect a cluster of 5 red balloons and a cluster of 5 white balloons. Connect a cluster of balloons, as shown in the video, and tie a weight with water. Attach the bobo balloon to the stand. For decoration, I used two 5-inch foil hearts. I tied red ribbon to them. Glue foil hearts on a bobo balloon using glue dots. I'm cutting out a Cupid sticker that you will receive as a gift for this video tutorial. We also give you digital colored stickers for cutting and pasting. The composition is ready. Thank you for watching us.